Hey guys, in this part, we'll cover the first step in how to set up a Shopify store. So first thing first, let's start with a Shopify trial. Because it's free, you should start to see if Shopify is the best e-commerce platform for you. And after you sign up for your free trial, you can begin working on building your store immediately. Now let's try a free trial version. Go to shopify.com. You'll see the interface like this one. Here, you can start your free trial by typing your email. It's a good idea to create a separate Gmail address because your customer will actually start sending email to this address. When you start selling, you can still change it later on. But I think it's less hassle to just do it right now. For example, I type my email address shopifymagenes@gmail.com. So give me a second to type it in the box. Then click on the Start Free Trial button. After clicking on it, you'll see some of the questions that Shopify collects to get to know you better. You can choose the option and click Next or Skip if you want to answer those questions. For the sake of this video, assume that most of you are beginner. Where would you like to sell? I take the option, then I click Next. You can skip, by the way. Just do it if you like. For this question, I choose Skip. You can skip or answer. And this questions, do you have an audience or following? I choose No, then Next. Now you have Shopify asking for your store name. This is optional, but I recommend you to decide on your store name and type it here on the blank space. For an example, I type my store name Magenes. You can click on Next or Hold on. Oh, one of the interesting things that Shopify offers to you is that you can edit the URL here. Click on the Edit and edit your URL. After you're done, click Next. Where will your business locate? About the location, you can choose the country or region here. For example, the United States, then click Next. Then I continue with my Google account. Shopify redirect to your Google. Now I have successfully created my free trial account. Shopify led me to the dashboard like this one. From here, you can take more action to set up your store. From adding product to set up payment. We will cover more detail about the setup of a Shopify store in the next video. Let's follow it.